Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to create your own YouTube thumbnail. It's very simple. All you need to do is to follow me in this video from the beginning to the end, and it's not going to take time at all, and you will be happy that you do so. I want you to know that YouTube thumbnail is one of the greatest things that you can use to attract people to your channel and to get subscribers for your video, because that is the first point of contact to your video. Even before people will access the content of your video, what they see first is your thumbnail. That is why it is very important to have a nice and an attractive thumbnail to your video. And if you find this video interesting, please don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel, and don't forget also to ring that bell so that whenever another video is uploaded, you will be duly notified. And today we are going to be using Microsoft PowerPoint to do justice to this thumbnail. So if you are ready, let us start the training now. So you can actually use other applications like Canvas and the rest of them, but for the purpose of this training, I'm going to be using Microsoft PowerPoint, and it's very easy. All you need to do is to follow me closely. I'm not going to rush it so that you can get every bit of the video. And also I want you to know that thumbnail is very important and significant to your YouTube channel. That is what people see first, and that a lot of people are driven to your video, to your channel, because of your thumbnail. So it is very important that you create a thumbnail that is attractive, that is beautiful, and that can actually communicate the message, the content of your video to your viewer. So if you are ready, let us go ahead and start now. The first thing you want to do if you want to create thumbnail by using PowerPoint is to go to your PowerPoint and open it. And most importantly, in this place, you must choose the right size for your thumbnail, because if you don't have the right size, definitely YouTube is going to reject it, and you will not want that to happen to you. So what you want to do here is, I will first of all remove all this. Remove this, you click it, then you click the line and remove it. Then the next thing I want to do is to reset my size. And how do I do that? I go up here to design, then I come down here to page setup. So the ideal size you want to put here is that you put width to be 15.5 inches, then make your height 10 inches, then you click OK. Let me go back. I think I didn't type it. It's 15.5. The width is 15.5 inches. Then you click OK. You can see that is the size that we are going to use. Then the next thing you want to do here is to give it a very good background. You can use any background. You can use all this. You can use this one. You can click it and give it any background that you want to use. You can give it this. Okay, let's use this. For example, this is the background that I want to use. So the next thing you want to do is to get your picture ready. And I will advise you, whenever you are snapping picture for your thumbnail, if you want to put your picture, it is not important, it is not necessary that you put your picture, but pictures make it beautiful. So if you are going to put your picture, make sure you create another space. When you are snapping your picture, you should face one side in such a way that you create a space where you can write something that has to do, or that is going to interpret or communicate the message to the people, to your viewer. So what you do next is to go and get your picture. I've already gotten one, so now I want to insert my picture. You go up here and press insert. Then from there you come to picture. You click picture, then you can now go to where your picture is on from your desktop. Then I click here and I insert. So that is the picture I want to use. I can now move my picture around. I want it to be on one side so that I can actually write whatsoever I want to write on the other side. As you can see, this is the picture I'm going to be using. And there's one thing that is very important here that you must note. The picture is somehow it doesn't look fine, so I want to make the picture to be transparent so that the background can blend with the main. The picture can blend with the main background. So what I do is to click picture here and I come to recolor. You can see down here you see set transparent color. Then I click it. When I click it, I can click any part of this picture. Then it will actually change the background. As you can see, it has changed the background. If I am not pleased with that, I can still come here and do the same thing and click here. You see, it has changed the background a little bit. If I don't like it, I can still come here and come and click down here. You can see it has actually changed the background. I think it's very okay this way. If you don't like it again, you can still come back and click another part of the, you see, let me click here. So this is how I want it to be. And come to word art. Word art, let me pick this, and I want to write how to make your YouTube thumbnail. So you can see how to make your YouTube thumbnail. Then I don't like the color, so I'm going to change the color. I'm going to change the color to black. Then this is good. Then I need to change the font size as well. I want to change the font size. I want to increase the font size. So I come to home and I increase the font size. Here I want to also change the font family. I come here and I decide to use Arial Black. Okay, can extend this. Okay, as you can see, I can put it off. Then the YouTube, I want to make it red. I can just highlight only the YouTube and make it red. Wow, this is pretty good. It is pretty good. As you can see, this is your thumbnail. Your thumbnail is almost ready. So the next thing you want to do here, in case you want to put any other write-up, you can go ahead and do it. The next thing you want to do from this point is to save this beautiful thumbnail as an image. And how do you do that? You come here and go to save as. Then you come down, you come and save as other formats. You click other formats. When you click other format, give your thumbnail name. Let me say my thumbnail. Then you come to save as type. Here, all what you want to do here is to pick PNG network. PNG network graphics format. That is portable network graphic format. You click this. If you have done that, the next thing you want to do is to save it. Then you click current page. I want to congratulate you. You have successfully created your thumbnail. So what you do now, let us go and see what we just finished doing. So congratulations, this is our thumbnail. This is where the thumbnail is actually saved, as you can see. Very beautiful. So I want to congratulate you at this point that you have successfully created your thumbnail. Congratulations and welcome back. Now that you can create your own YouTube thumbnail yourself, I want you to hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to ring the bell there so that whenever the next video is uploaded, you can be duly notified. And don't forget, my next video is going to be on how to get subscriber to your video on YouTube. So keep in touch.